everyone, and welcome back to my beauty space. It's me, Lara. I am officially back in the United States. I'm back in Florida, and I'm so excited to be back here and be up and running again with my videos. I miss sitting down here and just talking about all of my beauty favorites and sharing with you guys my new makeup that I buy and trying on my new makeup and stuff. It's literally one of my favorite things, so I don't know why I push it to the side so much and I just get distracted up in like real life and my family. But I think it's really important for me to actually like realize what I have and like take it more seriously, because I'm very, very close to hitting 2,000 subscribers on here, which never in a million years did I think that I would be having 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, but thank God. I'm also so in the mood to film because I literally have no makeup on my face right now and I'm wearing this super, super cute dress. I'm very much so into dresses lately and I really, really love that for me. And the main reason why is because I feel more like a girl whenever I wear dresses. I feel prettier. I feel freer because I don't have to wear like super tight jeans or pants. I feel like I can be more creative with what colors that I really like to wear because not every color goes with like a pair of jeans. I feel like I just love wearing dresses. So now today it's like I'm wearing a dress and my hair's straightened, so I'm just like in a good mood. Let me film a video. And my voice right now, I know I sound a little bit stuffy. In Arabic or in Egyptian, I would call myself mkhamfara because my nose is very, very stuffy and congested. Speaking of Arabic, I had an amazing time in Egypt, you guys. That is just my home. I belong in Egypt. It's like my heart is there in my country always. And being there this last summer, especially now that I'm 20 years old, I feel like I see things with a lot clearer of a perspective and I see things very, very clearly, and I kind of look and search for different things while I'm in Egypt and I end up finding those things that I really want for myself. I'm happy in America and I'm happy in Egypt too, so it's just one of those things where it's very dear to my heart, where I'm happy in both places but my heart is always tugging for Egypt. So I'm very, very happy that I was able to go and travel during this time that we're in and have a really, really safe time there as well. That's just something that I'm so grateful for. So that's why I kind of went off on a little tangent right now, because my nose is mkhamfara. It's a little congested and stuffy. I can definitely hear myself being a little stuffy. I don't know if you guys can too, but if you do, I really hope that doesn't bother you. I'm gonna try my best to kind of just keep myself breathing really nicely this whole video. I also have my iced coffee sitting with me right now. This is Chameleon cold brew, by the way. I mix it with water and then I add my creamer. I love Chameleon cold brew because it's like a coffee concentrate and it tastes really, really strong, which I really love. I don't like coffee that's like the Starbucks coffee that you buy at Publix. I think this is my favorite because it is so strong and I have like the chance to make it even stronger or dilute it more with water. So I like having that freedom to kind of change it as to what I want. Now that I've been talking for about 3 minutes about things that have absolutely nothing to do with the point of this video right now, let's get on to the point of this video. I just went to Ulta today and I picked up a couple things from Kylie Cosmetics. I picked up one of her lip kits and this is in the shade Kristen, and then I also picked up one of her Kyliners. You guys can't really tell because of the lighting, but this is what it looks like. My dogs are outside. I'm outside in the backyard with my dogs, and any noise that frightens them or they don't know what it is, they start barking like freaking idiots. So just let me film. I have tried Kylie Cosmetics I have tried Kylie Cosmetics before in the past, and I will say that it was not my favorite. I absolutely did not like... As I was saying, I have tried Kylie Cosmetics, her lipsticks, and her... No, I haven't tried her lipsticks, but I have tried her lip kits in the past, and I did not like them at all. I tried Candy K and Dolce K, and they were so insanely dry on my lips. I hated it. The only thing I really liked about Kylie Cosmetics was her lip liners. And the two lip liners that I thoroughly enjoy from Kylie Cosmetics are Candy K and Dolce K. These are her two lip liners that I wear right here. These are my favorites just because I feel like it's so easy to like put it on, even though right now it needs to be sharpened very, very badly. But I think I'm a really, really bad pencil sharpener because anytime I try to sharpen anything, I break the tip, so it's fine. But yeah, anyways, I was at Ulta and I saw this and I was swatching up every single lipstick that I could, a bunch of lip liners, a bunch of her liquid lipsticks, and I was literally having the time of my life in Ulta today. I was just like, yes, like I miss this. Like I couldn't do this in Egypt because they don't have as many options of really, really nice and real authentic brands as we do in America. I picked up the shade Kristen because it looked so pretty whenever I tried it on in the store, and I love these types of shades. So this is what it looks like right here, and basically I just want to review it today and I want to see if it's something that I'm interested in. I want to see if I like it. I want to see if the formula is up to par with my standards, because you guys know that I really, really like clean beauty, especially now that Kylie Cosmetics completely completely revamped all of her products. They're vegan and cruelty free and gluten free as well. I like to wear lipsticks that are super comfortable, that aren't very drying, and that aren't super mattifying. I want it to look natural and be breathable, so that way I'm comfortable wearing it for the rest of the day. I don't want to feel like my lips are getting dry and cracky. So that's why I really wanted to try this out, because the packaging and the colors looks absolutely incredible. So I had to see if the formula was worth it. And of course, that's why I'm going to be testing it out for you guys in a real live time. You guys are gonna see my live reaction, so get ready. The next thing that I bought was the Kyliner, like I told you guys, and it's actually this color right here that I swatched. This is more of a plum brown, which is also the one that I purchased, because I was like, you know what, I don't want something that's just gonna be like a normal brown. I want something that's gonna make my brown eyes pop. I wanted something that would make my brown eyes look extra special. And this is what it looks like. I love whenever it looks so clean like this and so crisp and precise. So anyways, I'm also going to be trying this out today for you guys. But first, let's go into the lipstick. So the two things that I bought, it actually came together because it's her lip kit. So you always get a lip liner and a matching lip, what's it called? And a matching liquid lipstick. Ooh, this is like a brand new one too. No one has opened it before me, so I love that. Are you guys ready for the swatch? This is the color. How beautiful is that color? I feel like it's a very flirty, girly, really pretty color. I'm just obsessed with shades like this. I don't really know how to describe it, you guys, but I would have to say that it has a little bit of burgundy, a little bit of magenta, a little pink, a little brown, a little purple, and a little, what's that? Terracotta. It has a little bit of terracotta in here. So I feel like this would look amazing for anyone who does have tan skin like I do. I feel like a shade like this is designed to just make any tanness and melanin kind of radiate and pop. I feel like it's really great for brown skin, which is why I got it for myself. Now for the lip liner, let's go ahead and swatch this bad boy. Why am I holding it like that? I'm not even left-handed, you guys. There we go. Oh yeah, that's an absolute match right there. Kylie knows what she's doing, you guys. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab like a little compact mirror. This is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh pressed powder, and this is vegan and cruelty free, and it has no talc. So that's why I'm including this in my makeup collection, and I love the mirror that it has. Can I show you guys me? Where am I? I'm right there. Ah. I also got my nails done yesterday. Do you guys like it? It's like a pretty nude baby pink. It's kind of like this, but almost a little bit darker, and I love it because it's like dip powder. I think it's S&S dipping powder that he did my nails. Usually I do gel, and this is the first time I've ever gotten a powder on my nails, but I'm obsessed with it and I love the shape. For anyone asking, this is the rounded square shape that I always get on my nails. I never get coffin, I never get almond, I never get any weird shapes like that. I think the natural the better. So that's my nails, and my toes are the same color, if anyone was wondering. Okay, so I'm gonna open up my lip liner and I'm going to try it on my lips. So far, so good. The lip liner, I will say that it is super creamy. It's gliding on my lips effortlessly, very easily. It's not tugging at my lips like a MAC lip pencil would. If anyone has tried MAC lip pencils, they tug and they're kind of hard to put on your lips. Meanwhile, this is the opposite. This is going on like a dream. So far this is just the lip liner, and look at the opacity. Yeah, opacity. Look at how pigmented this is on my lips, you guys. If I go like this, I don't really feel like I'm wearing anything. It's not super creamy to the point where it's like you're wearing a cream lipstick. Absolutely not. It's a lip pencil. So I feel like there's really nothing on my lips. I feel like my lips can breathe. Feels very comfortable. Let's do a kiss test. Nothing came off. I kissed my lips, my hand right here, and nothing came off, you guys. So far, so good. This is the Kristen lip liner so far. And now I'm gonna go in with the liquid lipstick. I almost want to keep it. It looks so cute, doesn't it? I feel like it looks so cute on me, and it matches my dress. It matches my dress. Okay, time to stop talking so much. Here we go, you guys. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna love it, to be honest. This is the liquid lipstick and the lip liner. So far, I'm very, very, very impressed. The way that this felt on my lips whenever I was sliding it on and I was getting the color on my lips, it just felt so creamy and it felt like velvet. It felt like actual velvet going on my lips. It felt so comfortable. It did not feel thick and goopy. If anything, it wasn't extremely thin either, like how ColourPop's liquid lipstick formula used to be. If anyone has ever tried a ColourPop liquid lipstick from before, from like maybe 2 years ago, oh my god, that was, and even Kylie Cosmetics, their liquid lipstick from about 2 years ago, oh my, it was horrible. It was thin and dry and just cracky. I hated it. It just feels so nice and natural. It feels like you just want to keep going and going and going. That's how I felt. I had to like control myself a little bit. But this is the lipstick right now, the lip liner and the lipstick. Did I mess up right here? Yeah, I did. If I wanted to look super, super up close, my lips look like I'm wearing lipstick, if that makes any sense, but it looks natural. It looks very natural. I can't explain it. Like, you know, whenever sometimes you wear a lipstick and it looks like you're really wearing like a thick, heavy, cracky, dry lipstick, or even a liquid lipstick. No, this looks, it looks beautiful. I will say that some of my cracks in my lips are a little bit noticeable, but that's just because I didn't moisturize right before I put on the lipstick. As you guys saw, I was literally going from my day-to-day life, sat down and filmed, and then tried on these lipsticks. So if you don't want that reaction, definitely put on a thin lip balm or maybe some Aquaphor just a little bit, so that way it doesn't get all, you know, lumpy or whatever. I'm really liking it so far, and I don't even have a perfect application. Like, I went out of the lines a little bit. I did it a little bit sloppily just because I don't really care, but on camera my lips look very, very nice. It's very pigmented, very creamy. Let's do another kiss test. I'm gonna do it right here. Nothing came off. This is locked and loaded. I'm very, very, very impressed. There was another shade that I wanted to buy. It was in the shade 20. I really wanted to get that, but they were sold out, and I was like, okay, whatever. I'm not gonna go through the whole process where I have to order a whole lipstick and get it shipped to my house when I could just buy it in store. Like, it's so much easier like that. So probably later this week, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna head to Ulta and I'm gonna see if they had the shade 20, because obsessed with these two. I love them. Ooh, now it's time to try the Kyliner. Okay, let's see if this bad boy is worth it, because I want these brown bad boys to pop, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ready? I'm gonna go in with my lower waterline. This is very, very pigmented. Oh my god. Some eyeliners, whenever you put it in your waterline, you have to like go back and forth a million times just to get the littlest bit of product. That was so easy. That was so easy. Oh my god. Okay, let me do the upper waterline as well. I'm like tickling myself right now. You guys, how do I look? What if I put a little bit up here too? Like above my eyelashes, to make my eyelashes look a little bit fuller. I'm not wearing mascara as well, so this probably won't look as good as it would if I were wearing mascara. But I will say that I can definitely tell that this is like a plum brown. Like, this is not a straight brown. This is like a brown that has a little bit of purple, which is why I got it, because I was like, okay, it's gonna be something a little bit different than the usual black that I always wear. So far, ladies and gentlemen, yeah. That was pigmented. I only put a little bit, as you guys saw. I wasn't sitting here for like 5 minutes putting it on super nice and precise. No, I literally just slapped it on my eyes. Oh my god, I look so pretty. Not to toot my own horn or nothing, y'all, but I look so pretty with this eyeliner and this lipstick. What? Oh my god, I love the way it looks. I love the way it looks on me. Wow. I'm so happy. I don't even need any makeup on the rest of my face. I just need this eyeliner and this lipstick and I'm good to go always. I'm in love. Did you guys also notice that I took out my nose ring? It fell off at the airport. I don't know how. I was on the plane and I was blowing my nose, and next thing I know, I went to feel and it was gone. It was gone. So I just didn't even look back. I said, fine, ahsan. I'm better without it. I'm prettier without it anyways. But yeah, off track. But I love this eyeliner. Okay, this video is cutting into 20 minutes, so I'm gonna try to cut it short right now. So my final review is I give this a thumbs up in the shade Kristen. This formula is incredible. This formula is comfortable. This formula is beautiful. It's natural. This formula is breathable. It's comfortable. I love it. This Kyliner in the shade Matte Plum. Anyone who has brown eyes and they want to make it pop just a little bit, yes, go do yourself a favor and pick this up from Ulta right now. I love it. I'm so happy with my makeup right now. I feel like I went from daytime to nighttime really quickly, but I could also wear this during the daytime and it'll look like I have on a little bit of makeup, but it's also perfect to wear if I want to go out to the club, if I ever do go out to clubs. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for listening to me babble on in this video and just sharing my story for the last couple of weeks and just updating you guys and being super excited to be on camera. Thank you so much for watching and listening to me and supporting me on my channel. If you guys have not been subscribed to me already, please go ahead and click the button below. Go ahead and give this video a big like and leave me a comment down below if there's any other products from Kylie Cosmetics that you guys want me to try and review on my channel, because I will gladly do that. All right, thank you guys so much. I love you, and I'll see you again super soon in my next video. Bye guys.